Kidney health is crucial for the overall well-being of the human body, yet it often goes overlooked until problems arise. Among these problems, kidney stones stand out as a painful reminder of what can go wrong when we do not care for these vital organs. Unbeknownst to many, there are 10 sneaky habits that could be sabotaging your kidneys, quietly compromising their function and paving the way for long-term damage. Recognizing and addressing these habits can be a significant step towards maintaining kidney health and preventing the development of serious conditions. This article will delve into habits that many individuals unknowingly engage in, which may lead to detrimental effects on kidney health. From excessive caffeine intake to not managing blood pressure and relying heavily on processed foods, these practices can pose a silent threat to the kidneys. Additionally, inadequate sleep and an overconsumption of protein are also culprits in the deterioration of kidney functionality. By identifying and understanding these dangerous habits, readers can take proactive steps towards safeguarding their kidneys and ensuring their optimal health. Excessive caffeine intake. Excessive caffeine consumption is linked to various kidney issues, particularly in individuals with specific genetic predispositions. Studies have shown that people who metabolize caffeine slowly, due to a gene variant present in about half the population, are 3 times more likely to develop kidney dysfunction. This slow metabolism can increase the risk significantly when individuals consume 3 or more cups of coffee daily. Caffeine's effect on kidney function. Caffeine impacts kidney function by potentially accelerating the decline in the glomerular filtration rate, eGFR, especially in individuals who consume more than 2 cups of caffeinated coffee or tea daily. This decline is more pronounced with higher caffeine intake, with a significant eGFR decrease observed with each additional 50 mg of caffeine. How to reduce caffeine consumption. Reducing caffeine intake can mitigate these risks. Strategies include limiting coffee to less than 3 cups per day and considering lower caffeine alternatives like light roast coffee or green tea. Setting a daily cutoff time for caffeine consumption, such as 2 p.m., can also help minimize its impact on sleep and overall kidney health. Transitioning to caffeine-free options like herbal teas or decaffeinated beverages can further reduce the burden on the kidneys and help maintain hydration, which is crucial for kidney function. Not managing blood pressure relationship. Between blood pressure and kidney health. High blood pressure is a critical factor that can severely impact kidney health. Nearly half of adults in the United States have high blood pressure, which is a leading cause of kidney disease. The condition forces the heart to work harder, which can damage the delicate blood vessels in the kidneys over time. This damage can impair the kidney's ability to filter blood and regulate fluid, leading to further complications. Uncontrolled high blood pressure can cause the arteries around the kidneys to narrow, weaken, or harden, which reduces blood flow and oxygen delivery to the kidneys, ultimately leading to scarring and loss of kidney function. Effective methods to control blood pressure. Managing blood pressure is crucial for maintaining kidney health and preventing further damage. Lifestyle changes such as regular physical activity can significantly lower blood pressure. Incorporating aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling helps strengthen the heart and improve overall cardiovascular health. Adhering to a healthy diet is also essential. The DASH diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products, has been shown to be effective in reducing blood pressure. Additionally, medications such as angiotensin-converting enzyme, ACE inhibitors, or angiotensin receptor blockers, ARBs, are commonly prescribed to help manage blood pressure and slow the progression of kidney disease. It is also advisable to quit smoking and manage stress, as these factors can exacerbate high blood pressure and its effects on kidney health. High processed food consumption. Consuming high amounts of ultra-processed foods, UPFs, is linked to an increased risk of developing kidney disease. A significant study tracked over 14,000 adults for 24 years, finding that those with a high intake of UPFs had a 24% increased risk of chronic kidney disease. These foods typically contain excessive levels of sodium, sugars, and unhealthy fats, which can strain kidney function. Dangers of processed foods on kidneys' UPFs are detrimental due to their high content of artificial additives and low nutritional value. They often include high amounts of phosphates, which are particularly harmful. Phosphates from UPFs are absorbed more readily than those from natural sources, leading to faster phosphate accumulation in the body. This can cause acute kidney injury and, over time, contribute to chronic kidney disease. Furthermore, the high sodium content in processed foods can exacerbate hypertension, a major risk factor for kidney damage. Healthier alternatives to processed foods. To mitigate the risks associated with UPFs, it is advisable to substitute them with minimally processed foods. Incorporating fresh fruits and vegetables as well as whole grains like brown rice and dried beans can significantly lower the intake of harmful additives and improve overall kidney health. Shopping at farmers markets and preparing meals at home allows for better control over ingredients, reducing the consumption of sodium and phosphates. Additionally, regrowing vegetables from scraps not only minimizes waste, but also ensures a fresh, healthy supply of kidney-friendly nutrients. Inadequate sleep research indicates a strong link between sleep quality and kidney health, particularly in middle-aged and older adults. Poor sleep quality has been associated with a higher risk of developing chronic kidney disease, CKD. Specifically, individuals experiencing poor sleep quality 3 to 7 days per week are at an elevated risk, with a 1.86 times greater likelihood of developing CKD compared to those with better sleep patterns. How poor sleep affects kidney health. Kidney function is closely regulated by the sleep-wake cycle, which coordinates the kidney's workload over 24 hours. Disruptions in this cycle, such as those caused by inadequate sleep, can lead to faster kidney function decline. This is due to the impact on specific hormones that regulate kidney activity during the night. Additionally, poor sleep may lead to systemic inflammation, which can damage the glomerular endothelial cells and result in proteinuria, a precursor to CKD. Tips for better sleep hygiene. To improve sleep quality and potentially safeguard kidney health, adopting good sleep hygiene practices is crucial. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and avoiding stimulants like caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime can help. It is also beneficial to create a restful sleeping environment by maintaining a cool, quiet, and dark room. Engaging in relaxing activities before bed, such as reading printed materials, can further promote better sleep. Avoiding long daytime naps and reducing exposure to blue light from electronic devices in the evening are additional strategies that support a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Excessive protein intake issues caused by too much protein. High-protein diets, particularly those exceeding 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day, can induce significant changes in kidney function. These diets often lead to glomerular hyperfiltration, which can increase urinary albumin excretion and potentially cause long-term damage to the kidneys and other organs. Furthermore, excessive protein intake, especially from animal sources like red meat, is strongly associated with an increased risk of end-stage renal disease, ESRD. The higher acid load from sulfur-containing amino acids in animal proteins may also negatively affect renal function. Finding the right protein balance. For individuals with kidney disease, managing protein intake is crucial. A diet lower in protein is recommended to reduce the strain on the kidneys, as excess protein can lead to the buildup of waste products in the blood. Plant-based proteins are generally considered safer for kidney health compared to animal-based proteins. Studies suggest that diets rich in plant proteins like legumes and nuts and low in red and processed meats can be protective against chronic kidney disease, CKD. It is essential to consult with healthcare professionals to determine the appropriate amount of protein intake, especially for those with pre-existing kidney conditions or those at high risk of developing kidney disease. Conclusion. Throughout this article, we have explored a myriad of seemingly innocuous habits that can have profound implications on kidney health, from the deleterious effects of excessive caffeine and protein intake to the often overlooked importance of managing blood pressure, sleep quality, and processed food consumption. It's clear that lifestyle choices play a critical role in maintaining kidney well-being. By understanding and modifying these habits, individuals can make significant strides toward preserving kidney function and preventing the progression of kidney-related diseases. The journey to optimal kidney health is a continuous one, requiring awareness and intentional adjustments to our daily routines. Emphasis on healthier diet choices, Improvement in sleep patterns and a conscious effort to manage blood pressure not only mitigate the risk of kidney damage, but also contribute to overall health and longevity. As we conclude, let us remember the importance of these findings and consider further research or personal action to protect our kidneys, thereby enhancing our body's ability to thrive. What are some habits that can harm your kidneys? Dehydration can significantly damage your kidneys by reducing blood flow. Smoking is another harmful habit that, if quit, can greatly benefit your body and reduce risks to your kidneys. Additionally, excessive consumption of alcohol can lead to severe kidney damage. Which lifestyle choices are detrimental to kidney health? A diet rich in animal proteins, such as meats and dairy products, can be harmful to the kidneys. These foods are difficult for the body to metabolize and place a significant burden on the kidneys to eliminate waste. High-protein diets can cause or worsen existing kidney issues. What are the primary causes of kidney damage? The leading cause of kidney disease is diabetes, including both type 1 and type 2. Other contributing factors include heart disease and obesity, which can also lead to kidney failure. What are some beneficial drinks for kidney health? Several drinks can help cleanse the kidneys, including cranberry juice, which is rich in antioxidants, and carrot juice, which has been shown to have antioxidant effects when consumed at 2 glasses, 16 ounces, per day. Beet juice, various teas, apple juice, orange juice, lemon juice, and both green and black teas are also good for kidney health.